Hello everyone, I'm Sohra from AgriMstaff, and today I want to show you how you can create and use a user control in Winform application. I have a Winform application, and in Toolbox we don't have any user control, and now I want to add it. You can simply add it to your project as a new item. This is user control in C#. And I want to change the name to D clock. It means digital clock. It's so simple, and I want to show you how you can use it. In this user control, I will add a label to show the time on it. Okay. Now in behind code of the user control, I will put some codes to work it for you. I have it in paste. I copied it previously. It is I use a timer and interval. I make a video for this previously, and I am using a tick event, and after that I start it. Okay. Now I want to show you how you can use it in your project. I don't have the clock here. I should rebuild it. After rebuild, it will appear in Toolbox, and it takes a bit time maybe. Okay. I should go to up, and it's up here. You can drag it and use the digital clock in your project in this user control. I want to save it and show you the result. Okay, this is the digital clock and it works. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will put the link of codes in the description of the video. You can find it. Bye.